Hi, my name is Christina with the Southwest Florida Water Management District. Today, Debbie is going to demonstrate searching the Well Construction Permit WCP database. Once you've completed this video, you will be able to use various techniques to search for well construction permits and applications submitted to the district.
The Well Construction Permit database stores records of all applications and permits submitted to the district. To access the Well Construction Permit searchable database, from the SwiftMud homepage, click on the e-permitting link. Scroll to the bottom of the page to access the application and permit search tools. Click on the Well Construction Permit search link. The database can be searched by using one or more criteria, including specific permit information, inspection criteria, dates, use, or specific well information. The Location tab is where you can search by county or section, township, and range. The Well Construction Info tab allows you to search by permit criteria. To demonstrate, we will search by contractor license number. Now the Results tab will display applications and permits submitted by the specific contractor. Clicking Reset will remove all criteria selected and bring us back to the search screen. To demonstrate another search method, we will search by water use permit number, including revision and the well's district ID number. Clicking View Details will display the individual record. The Back to Search Results link will take us back to the current search. The most common way to search is by section, township, and range on the Location tab. If the section, township, and range is unknown, it can be identified by searching the county's property appraiser's website by the address or the owner's name. Multiple section, township, and ranges can be added or removed. Searching by date range or a specific date allows you to view all permits and/or applications within the specified criteria. To demonstrate, we are adding a date range of all permits issued during a 10-year period. As you can see, there are 129,081 permits issued within this date range. We can reduce the number of qualifying records by adding more criteria. Now we want to only see permits located in 3 counties. We also want to see only wells that are used for livestock. By selecting more criteria, we have reduced the number of qualifying records to 360. By default, the maximum records displayed is 300. If total qualifying records exceed 300, the maximum can be changed to accommodate. After clicking Search again, all records in our search are now viewable. Results can be viewed page by page, or View All allows all records to be displayed on one page. The Results view shows various fields that can be viewed by scrolling to the right. Columns can be rearranged or sorted by preference. Clicking the Save Layout button will save your preferences for this browser session. Clicking the Download Data button will download the displayed results in an Excel format. Now that we have demonstrated various search techniques, we are going to look at an individual record and the additional data that can be viewed within the record. In this example, we are searching for a specific permit. The The details of each record are viewable even when viewing multiple results. Clicking on View Details will display the individual record. The General Info tab displays permit and application information. You can view owner information, contractor information, and application information. From any tab, you can print or save a PDF of the file of record, which contains all data stored in the record. The Well Info tab displays information on the specific construction of the well. It also indicates if it is connected to a water use permit. The Completion tab displays the date the well was completed and any outstanding issues. By selecting the row, you can see more detailed completion information for each well, which can be viewed by clicking the tabs below. The Financial tab displays fee and receipt information. On the Documents tab, documents used during the application and permitting phases can be viewed or downloaded. You can open a document by clicking on the icon. The document will open in a viewer. To download a document, highlight the row and click the Download button. This will allow you to save the document to a local drive. The Map tab allows you to view an interactive map which opens in a separate window. This displays the district's geographic information system and highlights the points of the well construction permit. Using the tools above, you can zoom in, zoom out, or using the hand icon, you can grab the map and move it around.